All right, now the market's starting to push back down again. We're painting a clearer picture of what's going on up here.
Alpha Lima Lima Alpha ALLA.
Resting on top of 3,175. That is the 0.5 decision point today. Possibility for a short to be setting up here on the S&P as well. Looking for a short 3,100 half. Now, the thing that I'm looking at here as well, I want to see the market come back down relatively quick because this might be a secondary attempt from the buyers to come back in too. So as far as stop location goes, I mean, we're already kind of there. Yeah. All right, well, I do have my final protective stop. If it goes above this, though, I do not want it. All right, I'm out. No thanks. I would rather take the loss there than deal with the market being a trap and then blowing off the highs and then having to build into a runaway market. No, thank you. So I took the stop a little bit early than where it was supposed to be because realistically, if it's going to go up that far, we're probably going to hit the full stop. It's not worth the risk anymore.